Bullish ADA value forecast is 58 cents to $1.02. Cardano cost could likewise reach $1 soon. Bearish ADA cost expectation for 2022 is 39 cents. In Cardano cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ADA to break down the future development of the cryptographic money. Cardano current market status. The cost of Cardano is 37 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $339,715,175 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, ADA has expanded by almost 1.2% as of now. Besides, Cardano has a flowing inventory of 33,820,262,543 ADA. Cardano exchanges digital money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Bithum, and Huobi worldwide. What is Cardano? Cardano is the local badge of the Cardano blockchain. This economical blockchain utilizes the confirmation of stake agreement component, Ouroboros. This third-age blockchain at first existed as a Layer 1 arrangement. In the end, the Layer 2 update, Hydra, was coordinated onto the current organization in late 2021. Cardano has been worked as a redesigned rendition of Ethereum's Brilliant Agreements organization. It means to scale the permissionless idea of the DeFi space and help the mission of banking the unbanked. Cardano value forecast 2022. The above diagram of Cardano spread out a falling wedge. In a falling wedge design, both the upper pattern line which associates the highs and the lower pattern line which associates the lows merge downwards. The wedge design overall demonstrates a pattern inversion. Particularly, the falling wedge flags a bullish inversion. This example shows a breakout in the cost pattern towards a rise. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the force of the downtrend is dialing back. As of now, Cardano is in the scope of 40 cents in the event that the example proceeds. The cost of ADA could arrive at the opposition levels of 45 cents, 52 cents, and 59 cents. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of ADA might tumble to 39 cents. Cardano backing and obstruction levels. The outline beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Cardano. The diagrams show that Cardano has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, ADA could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $1.02. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Cardano could dive to nearly 39 cents, a negative sign. Cardano value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Cardano is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of ADA lies beneath the end line, demonstrating powerless members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Cardano is displayed in the diagram above. Outstandingly, Cardano cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in an upswing. At present, ADA has entered a negative state. Thusly, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of ADA whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength list of the ADA is 30.07. This implies that Cardano is in an oversold state. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of ADA might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Cardano value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Cardano. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Cardano. Right now, the ADX of ADA lies in the scope of 17.1106 and subsequently, it shows areas of strength for it. The above diagram likewise addresses the overall instability file of Cardano. The RVI of ADA lies under 50, showing low unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Cardano is at 30.07 in this way affirming a potential purchase signal correlation of ADA with BTC, ETH. The beneath outline shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the value activity of ADA is like BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC builds, the cost of ADA increases. When the cost of BTC and ETH decreases, the cost of ADA diminishes. Cardano value forecast 2023. On the off chance that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Cardano could presumably accomplish $2 by 2023. Cardano value expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Cardano could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ADA could revitalize to hit $6 by 2024. Cardano value expectation 2025. If Cardano supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, ADA would mobilize to hit $10. Cardano Value Forecast 2026. If Cardano supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, ADA would mobilize to hit $14. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. If Cardano supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, ADA would mobilize to hit $16. Cardano Value Forecast 2028. If Cardano holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, ADA would hit $20 in 2028. Cardano Value Forecast 2029. Assuming that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Cardano, it would observe significant spikes. ADA could hit $24 by 2029. Cardano Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy headways in the Cardano biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into ADA for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Cardano could hit $26 by 2030. And, with consistent enhancements in the Cardano network, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for ADA. Consequently, the bullish value forecast of Cardano in 2022 is $1.02. Then again, the negative value expectation of Cardano cost forecast for 2022 is 39 cents. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the essential consideration token environment, the exhibition of ADA would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $3.09 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $1 assuming the financial backers accept that ADA is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Cardano? Cardano is the local digital money of Cardano. Cardano is a brilliant agreement put together blockchain working with respect to the evidence of stake agreement sent off in 2017. 2. Where might you at any point buy Cardano? Cardano has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Bithum, and youhodler worldwide. 3. Will Cardano come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the fundamental consideration token stage, ADA has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Cardano? On September 2, 2021, Cardano arrived at its new all-time high of $3.09. 5. Is Cardano a wise interest in 2022? Cardano is by all accounts one of the top acquiring cryptographic forms of money this year, as per the kept accomplishments of fundamental consideration token in the beyond couple of months. ADA is viewed as a wise interest in 2022. 6. Could Cardano reach $1? Cardano is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. At last, in the event that this bullish pattern proceeds, Cardano will hit $1 soon. 7. What will